girl, Cyn Doll here, coming at you with another video, and this video has been sponsored by Aima Beauty 3-in-1 Salon One Step Hair Dryer. Now, I have to be honest and say that I did not hop on the bandwagon at first because I'm like, I already have a blow dryer and a round brush. Like, why would I need to get 2-in-1? But duh, girl, because it make it easy, girl. And I am so in love with this blow dryer brush, girl. Okay, girl, listen. Check the links in the description box below so you can get you one, because I'm getting additional ones. I don't want no stuff. I don't want to lose it. I need one for every room in the house just in case. I don't know. I'm in love with this dryer. I am truly. So I do not want to talk you guys to death about it on here, so make sure you head over to my blog, and over on my blog I'm going to put all of the facts about this, all of the amazing benefits that this brown brush has. And once again, make sure you check the links in the description box below so you can get your own. I am so in love with this dryer, y'all. My daughter has so much hair. I don't know if it looks like on this video, but every time I'm done with one piece, like 17 more sections pop up and stuff, and it's just made my life so easy, breezy, beautiful, you know. So stick around, and I'll be back towards the end to give you my final opinion on this whole dryer thing. But I'm in love. Get one, please. Like, get one. Electric brown brush, Lord, what did happen in the mail? We can leave it like this for like a day and we'll braid it tomorrow. Okay. Okay, so really quick, please do not think that I am telling you guys to go home, blow dry your hair, and then trim your ends, because that is not what I'm saying. The only reason that I am doing it is because I have been doing hair for 13 years and I know how to put the right amount of tension on to make sure that all of her hair is stretched out, and I am just polishing her ends just a little bit before we go into the protective style, because keep in mind, before your hair can be protected, it has to be prepared. Okay, so you prepare your hair before you put it into the protective style. So I'm trimming my daughter's ends, and that is going to be the final step in protection right before we begin to braid. So I just wanted to throw that in there, because I don't want people like, girl, Cyn said you could just go ahead and, you know, trim your hair, girl, right after you blow dry, girl. I ain't say that, girl. That's not what I'm saying, girl. I've been doing this for a long time, girl. I know what I'm talking about. Okay, I love you guys. Keep on watching.
See if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is